Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. Today I'm coming to show you / struggle through achieving this hairstyle, y'all. This is my second time ever trying a crochet hairstyle, and honestly I'm not too sure how I feel about it, but if you're feeling it, you want to see how I achieved it, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I'm posting a new video. Let's get right into it. Alright y'all, so we are starting off with freshly washed and semi-stretched hair. My hair is pretty wet in these clips, just to let you know. I'm parting from one ear to the other ear because we are doing a half up, half down style, but it does not have to be perfect. Taking my Thank Me Later Edge gel, and I'm going to smooth and basically slick up my hair into a half ponytail. When I tell y'all this gel held my hair in place all week, no touch-ups necessary. It's the go. You gotta cop, okay? So once you secure the front of your hair in the ponytail, the back of your hair is just gonna go into two jumbo cornrows. Unfortunately, I lost that footage, so I can't show you, but just trust me, okay? I'm using this Caribbean textured hair from Afri Natural, and I picked this up because I really like the texture of the hair. It looks like a yaki texture. First time ever trying this. I'll let you know my thoughts a little later, but I went ahead and crocheted in the very back of my head. Again, all I did was cornrow my hair in two cornrows and then crocheted over those cornrows. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to achieve the front ponytail. I'm taking a plait and wrapping it up into a little bun, and I'm going to secure that with the ponytail holder. And then I'm literally just going to crochet hair all up in this little bun, okay? And that is how we're going to achieve our half up, half down hairstyle. So you see me here taking my crochet latch, crocheting that into the ponytail, and then I think I'm gonna loop it twice for security. Tighten it up, and that's it, y'all. The actual process of achieving this hairstyle is super simple, kind of tedious, very beginner friendly. So if you want to get into some fall protective styles that are super easy, I definitely would try this one out, okay? You can also play with the different textures. I in the future will be using a kinkier or like tighter coil, just because I wasn't completely feeling this hairstyle. But I like the color options. I use the colors 1, and also you can see that I use the color, like it was a 30, I want to say. It's called T1B30, so it's supposed to be an ombre, but it's more like a mix. So those are the two colors that I use in my head. I'm mostly going in with the one color and then sporadically adding that T1B30 in for, you know, a little pizzazz, a little fall vibes, a little chocolate situation going on. But yeah, y'all, this hairstyle was really easy to achieve. Let me know if you are about that crochet life in the comment section below. Let me know if you would actually attempt this hairstyle with these particular colors, or what are your go-to colors for fall. Let me know all of that in the comment section. If I were to do this style again, I would probably add a little bit more hair in the ponytail, just because I had a little trouble concealing all of those knots. But other than that, I mean, I think this was a decent second attempt at a crochet style. And if y'all want to see more crochet styles from me, just let me know and I will bring that to y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all continue to watch the video. So this is what my hair is currently looking like, and to be quite honest with you, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I look very young. It's even very much I'm going to prom, I'm going to homecoming, and I'm doing none of those things, right? So we are going to try to finesse this using a comb and some scissors. If we can't get it to look how I want it to look, then I'm just gonna cut it out of my head. Just so y'all know, I never completely fell in love with the style, but I did like it after I did some edits with chopping it up and also teasing the hair, making the curls a lot less uniform. But I did get a lot of compliments on this hairstyle, so if that's important to you, you know how other people perceive your hair, this one was really popular with the kids, you know. Yeah, I would definitely try it again with a tighter coil next time, so look out for that video in the distant future. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm left with after I went ahead and cut and comb and tease this hair. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But yeah, this is the hairstyle. It's new for me. I wanted to try it out and I'm glad that I did. The takedown process for this hairstyle was actually really easy. It took me like 20 minutes or less. I just cut all of the crochet hair and then I took out my actual braids, my cornrows. And yeah, that was pretty simple. I left this hairstyle in for exactly 1 week because like I said, I never quite fell in love with the hairstyle. So I was kind of ready to let it go after it got me through the work week. But yeah, child, I want to come and show y'all how to take this out your head if, you know, you're not feeling it either or if it's time to go. So here is that footage. Hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think again in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.